Good morning everyone, my name is Paul, exercise physiologist at BJC Health, and this is week 1 of my weekly vlog series, An Exercise Physiologist Who Doesn't Exercise. So this initial week was really all about setting in place a plan and actioning that plan. The plan itself, I think we got down pat. Really, I'm looking just to lose some weight and get into a consistent routine of exercise, whether that be weights at the gym or going for these beautiful bushwalks, taking my dog for a walk more regularly, and that has been successful. Here she is now. But really, the action step itself hasn't taken effect. I am doing what I would normally do. I'm taking the dog for a walk. The only extra thing I've been doing is the weight training at the gym and just giving myself that extra hour at the end of the day to stick around at the clinic and do something. We're pretty fortuitous at BJC to still have our gym available to us, especially during this pandemic time. But nothing has really changed in that regards, and I'm finding that a lot of my motivation is coming externally. And so what I mean by that is that there's no real internal drive to do the exercise. I'm kind of looking at myself and going, well, I promised that I would do this weekly vlog series. I'm keeping myself accountable to others around me, and that the exercise motivation is coming from that. I'm hoping that as time goes on and I'm being a bit more consistent, that the exercise will come naturally to me. So that's my real struggle this week, and I'm hoping to reach out to you guys, and please leave any comments or send us a private message or email and give us your tips. What gets you motivated? What are you doing to push yourself forward? As I said in the last video, I'm very much a do as I say, not as I do kind of guy. But that's got to change. If I can't set the example for myself, how can I expect my clients to listen to what I say? So yeah, very quick update. I literally put the camera in a tree. I hope it doesn't fall over. But I didn't want to waste this opportunity to let you guys know what's going on in my mind. And so this week's recap is really just the action is set in place. Sorry, the plan is set in place. The action hasn't happened yet, or at least I don't think it has. But that time will tell when I come back to you next week and give you another update. But as always guys, thank you for tuning in. This is a weekly vlog series, An Exercise Physiologist Who Doesn't Exercise. My name is Paul. Take care, and I'll see you next time.